welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be starting selling paparazzi. It's jewelry paparazzi, and it says paparazzi. Let's get this party started. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. And this, wow, this is nice. So it came with a bunch of jewelry. This is a jewelry that I'm gonna be selling. So it's a bunch of necklaces. And then I have some more necklaces, I think. This is more. And more necklaces and earrings and bracelets. And then over here, more necklaces, chokers, if you guys are interested in chokers. These are more necklaces. All of this jewelry cost $5. It's not even that expensive.
Plus tax and shipping.
And shipping and earring, rings. And oh my god, these are so nice. And earrings. I can't even find the right word. More necklaces. Oh my god, these are so nice. Okay, these are more. And this box. This box says paparazzi. Let me take this one. Okay, this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I love this box. Paparazzi. And this is the step into the spotlight. Oh, and I have my own party planner. Wow, this is so cool. Party planner. Look at this. It's beautiful. I'm going to be showing you guys later.
The agenda, your business agenda.
Oh, this is my business agenda. What is this? Oh, these are.
What are those?
I think these are for like hanging. Jewelry.
Enseñados en la cámara.
Hanging jewelry. This was nice. So I can hang all my necklaces so they don't become a knot. And then here we have another opening. These are accessories. This is just a paparazzi invite. Just a paper, the invite. See that paper right there. And I have independent consulate.
For your car.
This is for my car.
This
is for the car. You stick this to your car so people will know that you're selling. And these are some checklists. I don't know how that goes. And then this is, what are these? Wow.
Those are invites or what?
I don't know. What are these? Oh, these are receipts. These are receipts. So once they buy, I'm going to put these receipts in here and I'm going to keep one. So these are receipts for when they buy. These are some party checklists. More party checklists. I don't know what these are for. And these are my free bling thing. I don't know what they're these. These are just little cards.
Like the
what are these?
The 7-Eleven coffee.
Oh, okay.
When you buy a certain amount, you get a free.
Oh, and I put my name and my phone number. Okay, yeah, these. Okay. And this is This is for if you can be in a group.
No, you can make a group.
Oh, you can make a group. Oh, okay, this is for making a group or whatever you want. And this is an application, I guess, for myself or somebody who wants to join. And this is another. What is this? I have no idea what is this, but this is just a paper.
Oh, that's.
Are they seeing it? Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's for the party for people who wants to order.
Oh, okay. And it comes with my own
a bust
for my necklaces. So I can put my necklaces in here and show them. So this is nice. And we have thank you cards. So when they buy some thank you cards, I'm going to be putting these in their package. And then there's some more cards.
That's for the party.
For a party, if I'm hosting a party or whatnot. And these are for fixing. So if I see jewelry that is missing some
or broken,
I can fix it. It comes with a little fixture on the back. And these are the bags. These bags are so cute. They're pink and they say paparazzi. And that's it on the box. Oh no, that's it on the box. Okay. That's all it has. So
we're gonna go through and see what.
Yeah. So I'm going to let you guys know further about this paparazzi jewelry. I'll go into my channel and check and tell you guys more about it. But I hope you guys like this video, and more information coming soon. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.